Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Start with the right foundation for healthy chicken. In this video, I will explain how to cook healthy chicken. First, choose lean cuts like boneless, skinless chicken breasts or tenders. These options are naturally lower in saturated fat and calories. Always remember to trim any visible fat before you begin cooking to ensure a healthier meal. This simple step makes a big difference in your overall dish. Next, let's talk about cooking methods. Instead of frying, opt for baking, grilling, broiling, or stir-frying your chicken. These methods require minimal added fats. When you do use oil, choose healthy options like a small amount of olive oil or avocado oil. Avoiding deep frying significantly cuts down on unnecessary calories and unhealthy fats, making your meal much lighter. Now, let's infuse some delicious flavor without adding unhealthy ingredients. Season your chicken generously with a variety of herbs, spices, and citrus juices like lemon or lime. Consider using low-sodium marinades or create your own with ingredients such as vinegar, fresh herbs, and garlic. Steer clear of high-sodium sauces and excessive butter to keep your chicken both tasty and truly healthy. Finally, let's consider portion control and healthy accompaniments. A healthy serving of cooked chicken is generally about 3 to 4 ounces, roughly the size of a deck of cards. Complement your chicken with an abundance of non-starchy vegetables like broccoli, spinach, or bell peppers. Adding a small portion of whole grains, such as quinoa or brown rice, completes a well-balanced and nutritious meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.